Shah. Shah. Hi guys, today let me show you one Ethiopian cultural game which is known as Shah. To play this game, two players will sit facing each other by putting this board between them. Each player will have 12 pieces for each with two distinct colors. To start the game, a referee identifies a player by draw through lottery method. Then a player who has lost the draw will have the right to choose the color of the piece. After that, a player who wins the draw starts the game by placing one piece anywhere on the board. For example, if a player who wins the draw has a black color, the game is started by placing this one piece anywhere on the board. For example, it may put in such a way here. Then the turn will be for white piece. White piece by its turn also puts one piece anywhere on the board. Then the next turn will be for black piece. In such a way, turn by turn, all pieces will be put on the board. Basically, this game has two major phases. The first phase is placing pieces on the board in such a way, and the next phase will be capturing opponent's piece by moving the player's own piece from one point to the other point. Okay, while players place their pieces on the board, each player tries to form a line vertically or horizontally by putting their three pieces consecutively, and the other opponent player tries to defend this trial. During the phase of placing strategy, when one player can form a line by putting three pieces in such a way horizontally or vertically, the player raises his or her hand and announces for the referee and the opponent player, because this strategy helps to start the next capturing strategy of the game. But if neither of the players can form these vertical and horizontal lines by putting three pieces consecutively, the next capturing strategy will be started by a player who has lost starting of placing strategy. Okay, when we see this placing arrangement, this black piece can form a line vertically. This white piece can also form vertically. So to start the capturing strategy, a player who can form three lines for the first time will take the advantage. Forming a line after making straight or horizontal line by the opponent player has not any advantage. Let's assume this vertical line has formed for the first time by the white player. So the capturing strategy will be started by white piece player. The starting phase will be done by taking one piece from the opponent player from anywhere. So a player having the white piece will take one piece of a black player from anywhere. For example, the player may take this piece. So the turn will be for the black piece player, and black piece player by itself takes or captures one piece from a white piece anywhere. For example, the player may take this piece. Then the next phase of the game will be moving player's piece and form three lines in such a way, vertically or horizontally, to capture one piece of the opponent player. For example, white piece may move this piece and form three lines vertically and capture one piece from the black player, or if there is any moving direction, by moving this piece, a player tries to block the opponent movement. So in this starting game, there is only one alternative. By moving this white piece, a player can form three consecutive pieces. So it can capture one black piece anywhere. For example, this. Black piece player by itself tries to block the movement of a white piece player, or a player can move and make a straight line to capture the opponent white piece player. A player can move this piece and forms a line by putting three consecutive pieces. So black piece player can capture one piece from the white piece player. In such a way, turn by turn, each player can capture the piece of the opponent player. During the phase of the game, for placing pieces or for moving one piece from one point to the other point, each player has a thinking time of 30 seconds. In this game, a player cannot capture a piece of the opponent player if the pieces are formed previously. For example, in the turn of white piece player, this vertical line is formed previously. So by this formed line, a player cannot capture the piece of the opponent player. Jumping is not allowed in this game. Players has to play by moving from one point towards the next point. The other main point in this game is that if one player can form a line by moving one piece from one point to the next point towards front, back, left, or right without jumping, a player can capture all opponent pieces. For example, in this arrangement, if the turn of the playing time is for white piece player, the player can form a vertical line by moving this piece. So a player can capture this opponent player piece. Then, without jumping any point, by this piece itself, this piece can move toward the front, back, right, or left directions if a player can form a line vertically or horizontally. In this direction, in this direction, in this direction, in this direction. So, in such a way, a player can win the game. This arrangement can be formed while we place pieces as the placing strategy, or by moving pieces during the capturing strategy. The winner of the game can be identified in three occasions. The first occasion is if a player can block the movement of the opponent player by capturing greater than or equal to pieces. The second occasion is if the opponent player's piece left is less than or equal to. For example, in this game arrangement, black piece player has lost the game since there is only 2 pieces on the board. The third occasion in which a player can end the game is if the player can form vertical or horizontal line by moving one piece towards front, back, left, or right. For example, in this game, white player can end the game if the arrangement is in such a way. Or in such a way. Or by playing this piece toward this direction, when the piece is moved toward this, it can form a line without jumping any point. By moving this piece toward this direction, the player can also form a line in such a way. Okay, totally the game will have 3 rounds. After 5 minutes resting time, the second round of the game will be started by a player who has not got the chance of starting the first round of the game. After playing the second round game, if the player has lost 2 games repeatedly, that is round 1 and round 2, the game ends here. But if one player has win the first and if the other player has win the second game, then 2 players will play the third round game. Then the third round game will be started by draw like that of the first round game. Okay, thanks for watching. Please share, comment, like and subscribe.